Good morning, everybody. Let's check for voice, make sure we're live. All right, good morning, everybody. This is for entertainment purposes and for education and entertainment only. Your trades are your own. So we are doing the 30,000 paper trading challenge. I have a few issues with my computer. I couldn't trade the morning. And because of the streaming, I did some research, whatever, like we've been dealing with that. So I went ahead and got a new computer and also a new modem for the internet. Hopefully, that would be sufficient enough for us to trade the morning. As you see, we went down 1,700 in the last 3 4 days. All the glitches and all that. So, and also some bad trades. 3 4 setups never worked, which is normal. It's part of the game. Losses is part of this game, but we're still positive. So we'll see how that goes. Okay. Just gotta do a few things here, make sure we're okay. Let's see. I want to make sure I can't see the comments. Good morning, everybody. Okay. There we go. Why is that big? Ooh. I just messed up everything. Wow. Yes. Trying to put that chat center in there. Almost gonna open. I have 2 more minutes. I need to put this fixed right now. Want it here. Okay, leave it right here for right now. See what does it look like here. All right, guys. The reason I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna take Ixon here. You see how it's tight range right here. So we're gonna see which direction we're gonna go, depending on the first 5 minute bar or the first 2 minute bar. We might take it either way. As of right now, it's 131, so it's gonna open somewhere. So we're gonna see if it's what's gonna happen here. It's gonna open here, so that's a kind of positive to take it. We're gonna take it long, okay? We're going to take it long, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna take it long if I can. If we can get that set up right. I like to, if it's above it, I like to take it long. I would like for it to drop a little bit more. So already in pre-market, it's already up, like went way up there. Yeah, 133.73 just dropped. Remember the rules, we just let the first 1 minute roll. I'm gonna hope this thing's gonna work because I didn't trade in the morning at all. So how we had that issue with the first 5 minutes of the day, the first trading where the computer will not take the orders. So we'll see how that works right now. I'm just gonna wait on this thing a little bit more. Let that first minute roll because the first minute is kind of hectic and crazy, and you never get your execution right. So let's see. I was hoping it's gonna open here, and when I was looking at it like in pre-market, it was gonna. I was hoping it will open here, but it didn't. Okay. See how that's going to play out. Yeah, we missed it already. I was looking at the time. So for another pullback. Beautiful location. Just gonna let it do its thing here a little bit more. Maybe it'll pull back a little bit more. That's good. It hit that even number right here. It backed off. And let's see. Still 2 more minutes left in this bar. I'm gonna switch to the 2 minutes. Okay. Sometimes I switch between the 5 and the 2. I just want to see what's going on inside these bars. This one got annihilated right now. So we need, in order for us to re-enter this trade, this one needs to be taken out. And what's the risk on this? 131.93, 60 cents. Okay. It is a bit high. 14. Kind of bit to move. Because I looked at all the other ones, they don't have anything. It's not a nice setup like this one right here, but they did it pre-market. I wanted it to open here, and we ride it to here, to the 132. But, okay, completely collapsed. Wow. That's a beautiful fake out. Because that's like, you can think about this leg one, boom, retracement. But this is violent right here. It's a bit excessive of a drop. It's not like a gradual drop, it's excessive. That is, that's kind of alarming. I felt like I don't need to enter this one. I don't need to rush and take it long. because it kind of got extended a little bit more than I wanted. If it opened here, I would have taken long without worries. But when it opened here, that's why I switched to the 2 minute. I want to be inside the what's going on in here. This is a massive, this move got annihilated. If it crashes to that 200, it might just crack through it and for about like a bit. This is just unbelievable. Boom. Let's see, MU rallied. That was a good trade right here. See, that's where I want to open. This is kind of tight. MU is just too expensive. Like it's $1.50, $2.50 a bar. As of right now, I don't want to deal with that, especially in the morning. Apple is going down. Okay. Palantir. Everything is kind of like the opposite of directions. What is this? Tesla. Oh, Tesla dumped hard. Google. Same scenario. Hood. Hood is a good swing play as of right now for the long term. Oh, I'd love to buy this. I gotta analyze this. I think Hood might be a good buy at the 100. It's been going down hard. It's oversold already. Tails. Okay. About $1. I'm gonna take Hood long. I already pressed it. We haven't got anywhere. Let's see if that's gonna work. Sure if that's the first wrench here. We still got that delay, big time. So yeah, I took the order like a minute and a half ago. Let's go. Tight range right here. So we're gonna see which direction we're gonna go. Depending on the first 5-minute bar or the first 2-minute bar, we might take it either way. As of right now, it's 131, so it's gonna open somewhere. So we're gonna see if it's. Which was the what's gonna happen here? It's gonna open here, so that's a kind of positive. If you take it, you're gonna take long. Okay, we're up and going. Alright, I'm gonna exit this right now. Let's see if it clicks this. Alright, here we go. We're back up to date. Okay, good. Let's see. I'm just so busy with this, everything that's happening right now. It's going crazy. The new computers. I'm trying to, I thought I got all the setup worked out, but I guess not. Why is this going here? No. Okay, we took Robinhood short. Let's see if we can get display. That's weird, I can't function today. Okay, here we go. Let's take this one out. Hold on. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. It's a tail bar, so this move is very nice. I like it. I'm gonna take Robinhood 200 long. Put my stop below that. Sorry. Put my stop below that tail bar right here. All right, guys. Finally, I'm up and going. I think my did I put my stop the wrong way? I'm telling you, man, I'm just losing my freaking mind here. What the hell's going on here? I put my stop right here. Why isn't it doing this? I think I moved the profit right up here. Somehow I put the, when I made a mistake on the profit, I put it up. Cost us some like 50 bucks. See, when I saw this tail, it's like a double dip, you call it. It did it with one bar, shot back up. So I'm hoping to retest this 20 right here. I'm going to be dropping my profits. Whatever that, if the 20 keeps dropping down, I'm going to keep dropping this down. I'm going to continue going with the 21 SMA basically on my profit target. Good morning, everybody. I did play the music, but I just like it was. I had like an issue with the chat because every time I put it, it just bounces here and there. It's just killing me. Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention to the chat. I was trying to fix this issue. Hope you all having a good day after this long holiday. I did enjoy it. I went on a massive hike. It's like a 5-hour journey. I'm still feeling it in my legs and my shoulders and everywhere. It was painful, I tell you that. I shouldn't do that. Everything gapped down. But I'm hoping Robinhood touches, go back to that 20 and go back to that 20 and retest it. I was going to take Exxon long, as you see right here. A retrace back, it got halted right here, which is a good trade. And I didn't like that massive drop right here. And I need to switch back to the 5 minutes. See what the hell's going on here. We look at the SPY. Wow, that is a ginormous gap. 691. I think because of the European turfs, they're going to put turf because of Greenland or whatever. The market's kind of edgy. So 70, how much is that? 662. That's a good drop. It might give you a little bit more when it takes this off. It's not that big of a drop. It might drop a little bit more, retest that bottom on the SPY. Let's see Hood. Go Hood. Come on, baby. Let's make some monies. And I took a $700 loss because of glitches. Then I was trading Mister and I keep taking losses. I got hypnotized. That's one of like a lot of traders make this mistake. That was Friday after I'd done all this work, setting up all the charts from zero. And I kept trading and trading and trading. Wow, the lights are flickering here in the house. Hopefully the computer doesn't go out. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The lights are flickering like crazy in the room. Come on, baby. Let's go. Give us the monies. So we keep dropping it with that 8 SMA, guys. Hopefully will give us that. All right, I'm going to move my stop right here. No reason to lose that money. If this bar fizzles, it fizzles. Damage control, we're done. Like we're risking $128 on this play. Yeah, the lights were frittling like crazy in the room. They just go off and on, off and on. The devil. There's our target right here, guys. The target is, if that 8 doesn't drop, the target is fluent, by the way. It can change. So I'm going to change the target again right here. I'm going to keep dropping the target with that 8. Because we are in a downtrend. I don't want this thing to touch the 8 and just take all my profits. So I'm going to just keep it with the 8 SMA. It might continue going up, but I'm not taking a chance on a downtrend. It is taking its sweet time. I'm going to sell one. We took profit on one. Like I said, this is our target. Hopefully it hits it. I don't want to be greedy on this. I should have took it already. All right, we're out. Need like 200 bucks on this play. I don't want to do anything here. It's like a lot of resistance. See that resistant, that resistant. You got the 8. It might bounce back. So let it take its time. MU's doing beautiful. I'm going to take MU long 100 shares. I'm a little bit late on it, but I think it's worth it. We're up $135 on this play so far. 162. Come on, MU, one more push, baby. Come on. Should have cashed it out. That was a quick $162. I don't want to get challenged on this one. The risk is huge on this thing. 79, 75. That's literally $4 on that bar. Hoping to retest that top one more time. Come on, MU. Trade is going. How is you guys trading today? Anybody cracked the $1 million yet? Man, that was a good play right there. Come on, MU, do not fizzle. Shoot back up. We should have another bar on this play. I hope it retests that top bar right there. Take $162 profit and get out. It's holding pretty good so far. Oh, I don't like that. Let's see if it stays above that 30% of that bar right here. That's all I can take. I can't take this beating. I'm out. We took a hit on this. Should have cashed it at 176. We're up literally like $3 here. I thought it's gonna continue. This move still have a potential to the upside, guys. Unless it freaking crumbles with everything else. Let me see the SPY. SPY keep going down, UL down, this down. Down, HUD down, Google. Down, Tesla, down. Everything is down. Only thing was rallying is MU. If it goes to here and a color change comes, we might take it long. You don't want that to happen like when you have a green bar like this and it drops, like it takes out 80% of it. That's kind of like iffy on an uptrend move. There we go. Took it again. Let's see if this red gonna hold. Or is it gonna be green? Okay, let's see. Open below it. This is considered green, so this is considered green right here. Continued. I wanted that bar to go near that 8. A bit more. I'm going to short 200 MU. Just went for right now. Okay. This is a beast. Short it to that 8. If it flips, take it long. Okay, this thing is gonna rip up, guys. I'm taking it long. Taking MU long. It just confirmed to the upside. 200 shares, so I like it. Wow. How many shares did I enter? 200 on that play. Okay. Telling you, we've been having bad luck. Like, I know the plays, but I keep switching. Short on that. Okay, let's see. Oh. What a stop loss right here on it. This is we might wipe the account on this play, but I'm hoping to retrace back. Not hoping, I mean, because of the 8 right here, we're still in the upper 30%. Definitely do want to be hoping in this game. But we're still in an uptrend and we're kind of narrow each other. Like the lines are still narrow, so the chances of it bouncing back up for another leg is kind of huge. So I don't want this to scare me right here and exit. And this just continues, because if If any green takes out red in this location right here, this is going to shoot right to here. So I'm looking at this number right here, this even number right here, 84, somewhere there. And MU can do that easy. If the red gets taken out, I might add to it another 100 shares. Unless it completely collapses. If it collapses, wow, it is what it is. I like the drop is gradual, nothing crazy. That tells me the momentum's still up. You just need this third bar to finish and not keep going down. The third bar need, like, if they finish around here, that'd be nice. Still have 2.5 minutes on that 5 minute. Right now we're in the last minute. This is going to tell us if this move is going to be to the downside or the upside. I'm hoping for a tail bar up. If not, we're going to eat it. Here's the last minute. Here we go. This is the last minute of the 5 minute. Need a pullback, hard pullback. Very strong pullback. It's going to happen, it's happened the last 30 seconds. If it pulls down, I might exit early. Here we go, 24 seconds. Pull back more, a bit more. Yeah, it's the move is going down. Let's see. See if it pulls back up and we can exit. Do some damage control on it. I took some creatine today, and I took some salt and water. Try to wake up. Let's see how this game is gonna play, man. Needed to retrace just a hair. The stop got hits, get hit. $1,300. Whoa. Damn it. We're down $628 for the account, guys. No worries. It's part of the game. We're practicing, remember. Imagine this was real money right here for you. I was correct the first time, but when it took it here, I shifted my position. I should have put my stop right here. I should have left my stop right here and respected my stop. This is one of the mistakes that a lot of traders do. We shift our bias, like you know what's going to happen, but you shift it. But the overall momentum is up. So if I respected my stop right here and says, okay, I'm only going to change my thesis on the short size when I first shorted it, and I respected my stop, I didn't shift my position, I would have saved me that losses. And I was talking about like how this bar is so massive and all that. And I just went ahead and did the complete opposite. This is what I'm talking about in trading, because the trading is evolving. Like you have to evolve in trading. Every day is a different day. That's why you have to keep learning and improving every freaking day of your life. I spend at least 2 hours every day on my studies and all that, and I review what happens and all that. This was like a boom, man. Look at Exxon, man. I know. Oh God. Exxon's not gonna drop because the push was so high, like it took almost 90%. So it's gonna be around here. It's gonna stop. Might bounce back. I might take it on a color change. So we're down like $1,400 for today. We were $4,200 up. I still can't trade the morning. That pisses me off after I did all that. What's going on here, Mr. Apple is down. Nvidia is down. Frontier is the only one who's up. Tesla. Google. Hood. Looks like Hood refused to go down, so might want to go to that 20. What's the risk on this play? 105.95. 105.36. That's not bad. The 8 is kind of hooking. Might take this for a quick scalp. It's 50% of that move right here. Okay, I'm taking Robinhood long. Take a Robinhood long 400 shares. One shot to that 20 would be nice. Having I hope it kick in here on Robinhood. It kicks in hard. Let's go. Need to recover some of these losses. You got punched in the gut today on MU. I like this play. If it holds, will be good. Hello. Let's go, Robinhood. Don't fizzle on us. All the plays are fizzling today. This is a good play right here. Shot up. Went down to 50% right here, this move. And it halted, so still healthy. Need this thread to be taken out right here, this tail bar right here. Like a little bit strong. If not, we're out. Exit the whole position if that red continues. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna wait for it to appear again. Needs to prove itself again. I'm gonna use my hotkeys. I might take it again, guys. Hotkeys are not working here. Haven't set them up. Oh, man. Here we go. Here we go. That's the play I want. Hope it give us a gift. Hold back a little bit. Add to display. Okay, keep going, keep going. Need to target that 20. That's a good play. Hopefully it works. I'll make like $562 on it.
If I stop, you fade.
Easy beasy. Come on, baby. Let's change this losing streak into a winning streak. I might take one here because it's right on the support right here. See it? So a good bar.
and I go
Let it pump up a little bit more.
1,000, 1,000. No illusion, just movement.
Keep going, Robin Hood. Keep going, baby. Yes. Let's go. I'm gonna take one here too.
Still running.
We'll take another one here. It's right near that 20. Usually they bounce down hard. We don't want to take a chance on it. But I seriously think it's going to rip through it.
La laïcité, ce n'est pas contre quelqu'un,
No idea what this guy's
ce
saying.
n'est pas une croyance, ce n'est pas une opinion, c'est une règle commune pour vivre tous ensemble.
Go, boom! Back to $900, guys. We're doing good. We're doing good. Let's see. This might be filling up the gap right here, actually. It's going to fill up the gap. But we're in a downtrend, so you take profit at the 20. And you let it do its thing here, fight the battle. See what happened on MEU. Wow. Just completely collapsed. If this got taken out, I might take it along to that 8. That will be 369, 37. That'll be a good lick on it. About 30%. See how Exxon bounced back? That's the play I wanted to take, but I was too busy in HUD. Got a drop, it shot back up, so it's not going to do a new low. But we're late. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's considered green right here when you see them like that with a half and half. This is considered green. And the green, the red took out the green. But I want to see if I could take the retest, scalp it like 50% or 25%. I will. That was a beautiful play. I was waiting on this. Come back to that 21, hold, bounce back up. That's the 20 right here, boom. It got stopped. And 138.85, 131. Literally $1. Be right back, guys. Just give me 1 minute. I want to see if there's no follow through on this bar right here. It does need, it's due for a pullback. Unless this move is just keep pushing down. Wow. Let's see if this is going to hold. See the concept now, it pulled 80% to here. If we can get like a 25% retracement, that's 9 out of 10 odds with us. So we're gonna take this odds. If it breaks that, still have 2 minutes in that bar. Okay, it's pushing hard down. Let's see the last minute. It's gonna play here a little bit. It just dropped hard. Goat's holding good. I need this thread to be taken up. Play to that 8. Virgo broke down. Man, they're shorting this thing. Let's see, hopefully this is a fake out. This get taken out. Let's ride it to here. Maybe to here, somewhere here. Somewhere on here. 25% of that move. Let me see. Somewhere on here. They give it to us. That's 25% of this move. But now since we have the spas and it continue going down, so it might push down. It just shift the momentum, that's it. Everybody's in profit a lot on MU, so they might start taking profit like crazy. They just panic. Almost filled up the gap right here, so there we go. Yeah, it's broken already. That was a nice move right here. 360. That's literally $2. There's the gap right here, that tiny gap. It's not even a gap. 362, 363. Still have a solid green bar right here. How about 1, 2, 3? I don't know if it's going to give us more. Apple's still going down. I'm going to short the Apple here. $300 shares. Fire it back up. It takes that red out. Come on, Apple, give us that fat pump. Let that dump down. Don't go up. Take one off because it's right on top of that green bar. I take another one off. I don't know if this is a double dip and it bounced back up, so And we'll put a stop right above that, right here. Let's see how much we're risking this thing together. Been respecting the 8, so I expect it to stay there. But if it bounced back, because this is considered a double dip right here. You see it? Boom, boom, boom. You don't want to. We might pull back to that 20 or retest it, 21. We made some money on it. I'm not risking that much on it. Come on. Let's see. All right, took it. That's good. We made some money on this play. We didn't lose anything. That's less fire now. Calling, fire now. Axiom. Uber. Yeah, the CMU. Oh man, that's it right here. Boom. Ooh. This is what I was talking about. Boom. That's why you stay focused on one trade. Wow. Missed it. Look at this. 66, 69. Ooh, I was going to put 400 shares on this. Oh, man. So late. My God. Now it's like the whole play got changed. Now you gotta play it short. If this 25% right here, it confirms that this thing is gonna continue going down. It might drop all the way to here. I'm gonna wait on this play right here and see if we can get that play lick 2 to the downside if it give it to us. Need it to stop here if it's gonna be a decent move. We got hammered. Oh man, I love this play right here. This green got staken out right here. And I was waiting on this play. I explain. Oh boy. He fake it out right here. Boom. want to see how this develops right here. So when you have like a pullback, like, okay, the stock trended up, right? Basically like this, the stock went up. Then it pulled back all the way down. Like, look how much it pulled back right to here. Which is about 80% of this move completely got annihilated. It usually pulls back if this is gonna hold right here, and this is gonna be the new trend, like short right here. We need it to go up here, so we will divide this move in 50%. Okay, so that's 50% right here. Okay, let's see now at this 50% rate, why didn't it, if it's gonna hold or is it gonna continue going up? Because I already did this right here, that's like I was waiting on this move right here to do this and just take profit. Now I can't take profit because 95% of the time it does like 25% and it bounced back. Here it's 9% going down again, continuing. Here it's like 6 that is going to continue going down. Okay, so we'll see this one right here if that 9% can hold. You don't want to be anywhere near trading near here. So let's see that 25% if it's going to hold right here. I want that 25% to hold. What I mean by from here to here, it's considered 25%. To here, it'd be like 50 to 60% right here. So it might be going to that 50%, but you're such a critical thing that you just don't want to mess with it. I'm going to take everything out. I'm just going to focus on that. Stays right here. Only way you play this if the red takes out green here. If not, you don't do nothing. Let this thing develop. That's why I didn't take this here, because usually the first green followed by a red. The third one is usually the one that's gives you just a lot of everybody just jump in on this green bar to take it to here. No, just I always wait. Red, green, and I need the red to be taken out right here, and they just give it to you fast. Love for it to retest that bottom, but I need this green to be taken out. Remember, 9 out of 10, 9 out of 10 at the 25%, it drops, pulls back down. 25%, 9 out of 10, boom, continuation. If this is a hardcore drop. See like how it struggles around these lines right here? Because those are the most critical lines right here. This line and that line. And this one, look, from the look of it, is going to go to that 50% retest, that bar right here. But at the same time, you don't want to take any chances on this. Now the out of it continuing up, 6 out of 10. Basically from here. This zone right here. To keep going up, it's 6 out of 10. And also the chance of it touching that, 6 out of 10. But my target was here, the 9 out of 10 target, the 25%. And I missed it trading Apple. As the way the market works, like this is leg 1, pulls back, leg 2, which is right here. I'm trying to capture this right here. This number here, I like this number right here. See, that 360. See the same thing here on Exxon. It went up to 90%. It didn't make a new high, and look at the collapse. You see it? Completely, this red bar, no follow through, nothing. Got killed. because the drop was so excessive. Don't think, whenever you see an excessive drop like this, shoots back up here, don't think it's going to continue, because the stock is extremely tired and all that, and this one is projecting its power on it somehow. Like, so what's going to happen? It didn't create a new high, so it's going to go back down. And the same thing here with MU, it's struggling around here. Let's see who's going to retest that 8. How much progress been done right there. Wait for that last minute. Here we go. Fire back up. Minute and 23 seconds left. Okay, the last minute, let's see. "47 seconds, 44. Still strong. Seconds, 21. Kept the green for the last 3 seconds. Okay, turned red. Nothing significant here. The 8 is hooking. I pulled back to that 50%. Showing weakness right there, that first tail bar right there. See if it bounced back up. See if this steel bar gonna hold. See these tails right here get rejected, rejected, rejected. There's another rejection right there. Used to break that yellow line. All right, pull back. Now we gotta make sure it breaks, like, because the 8 is underneath it. You can do a quick scalp on it and take some profit right here at the 8. But it's hooking, like, see how it's hooking up? That's why if I'm gonna take a short, it needs to break this. See how that 8 gonna do, if the 8 is gonna stop it or is gonna keep going. Right here. If it takes this one, I'm probably gonna go to that zone right here.
Alarm hit 6, same crash screen, same slow drip coffee. Mirror got jokes, but
I like this smooth short because these bars were like solid. breads. Might have a follow through. See how the 8 stops it? Pulled back. But because it's in between those two lines, you can't trade it. If this gets taken out right here, I'll take it short. This would be my level to take it short right here. Ah, what continued? Did fill up that gap. Beautiful. It's like everything is recovering. BPM. Yo, unused tracks right here. That's the 50% of that move right here. Just want to keep my levels. Keep an eye on this thing. Big one. I like to put them in the boxes. $3 right there, boom. 50%. But this is like a massive bar right here. be a good play right here. On Robinhood. Play this one. I haven't played this one. I don't know what the hell. See what it is. Ooh. Okay, Robinhood filled up. I'm gonna short Robinhood right here. Do that 20. Take one just in case it's a fake out on that Robinhood. It looks like Robin Hood is maintaining that. Just gonna let it play out. I don't want to give any money back. Take another one right here. Just in case this is like the low. Target is there, 21. Ain't not much got accomplished here. So the last 30 seconds. $23. This might be a nice play long if this thing gets taken up. This is like leg one, came from the bottom, shot up. You're gonna retest that 20. Hopefully that 20 will tell it stop. If it hits the 20, bounce back with a nice green bar, it'll take it long. I don't want this green bar to be created right here. I want it to be created somewhere around here. There's MU at the 50% zone, so needs to take some green right here. Okay, that one got taken out, so we're out here. Let it do its thing. See if this bar holds. So there's an attempt to take the red right here, see it? Let's keep an eye on this. It might go back up here, just fizzles down. This is the worst time to go long or short, especially in this area here. It's gonna be like a fight. I like this drop right here. I like it. It's smooth. Very nice. Nothing crazy like these drops right here. No, it's smooth. This is a chance to take it to here. It's literally about $1. Like for it to go to that 20 right here. And then like a good green bar shows up. Which is that right here from here to 107 to about 40 cents. It's not a bad lick. There we go. I'm gonna short this real quick to the 20. 600 shares. Over to give it to us with a sweep. Look. Take 1, 2. Take another one here. Take another one here. See, right now we're at the 20. It's kind of critical right now. That's where that bounce I'm talking about is going to come in if it's going to be good. So I'm going to take profit right here. I want to see what's going to happen here. I need a green bar come in and take these play right here. Take 1, 2, 3. Take these bars off. Most of the time I scalp. There we go. Let's see this. If it's 3 minutes, this is another 2 minutes. First 2 minutes. If this turns green, guys, we're taking this thing long. But it needs to be a green, good bar, good green bar right here. 109. Hope it develops nice. See, feels like minus 70 here. Come on, give us a red green bar. Nice green bar. Come on. Now we need this to be broken right here. These, like right here. I need this bar to go up here like this. Boom. Right there. Shoot up, fire up like crazy. Let's click this play. It's one of my favorite plays. And I'm gonna go heavy on it. More, 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 more. I don't want it just to take one bar. I need it to take few bars. Like right up to here somewhere. I need few bars, like few red bars. 1, 2, 3, like these 3 bars right here. The safest entry would be right here. At 108.28 would be a safe entry. Like that will confirm that broke the trend and it's going to keep going. We were up 4,200. We're down 3,000. I see this was weak. I didn't like it. It's not strong enough for me to take a shot at it. And look at MU right at the 50%. It start going down. We missed this play right here. Ooh, if it pulls back, we might short MU. Hopefully that's not a fake out. I got a piece. Man, nice freaking play. I did it. Took it. That's a nice ball right there. That's that 50% zone I was telling you guys about. Oof, wow. 72. See how Robinhood, I want to see, I'm still waiting on this too. Maybe we'll get a little bar here and we can enter. Definitely missed this one right here, that breakout right here. Target for MU is 360. Pull back, pull back. Pull back more. I like this Robinhood more. I need that massive green bar right here. Need that massive green bar right here. I'm gonna short MU right here. Rejected. How much did it give us? 200 shares. It's out on the 20 where it's tilting. I'm gonna take one off right here. Hopefully we can add on the pullback. Good, good, good. Let's go, let's go, let's go. A little bit more. I'm gonna take it off here. That's the broke of the 5 minute. If it pulls back right to here, we'll short it again. Robinhood looks promising right here. If we get that fat bar right here. This is the play that I want. I want to play this sucker to here. There we go. Break through that 8. Right there, break through that 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go, guys. This is a nice bar right here. We just need it to go above the 8 and stay above the 8. Need that M hood to stay above that 8. Break that freaking thing. Let's go. That's gonna be my last straight for the day. Here we go. Robinhood's playing good. It needs to stay above that line. Got about a minute and a half. It's either gonna collapse or just needs to go up a little bit more right here, right here. Just want it to stop right here. Right above here, let's go. Yes, that's what we need. Come on, took this one out, took 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I need a little bit more oomph. A minute more life, a warrior bar, green bar, like. It didn't work. 46 seconds, which is good. Let's see. And this one right here is going to tell us if it's going to continue going short or not. That's the double dip right here. Boom, retested this bar. You're going to see how it's going to act up. But so far, this one looks very promising. There we go. 23 seconds. Good. Let's see if it holds. You see a bar like this neutral bar, you need the top to be taken out or the bottom. Not this thing, nothing. Just this right here needs to be taken out. So the only way I would re-enter MU if this gets retaken out. You see, because the bar wasn't big enough, like I bounced back, like just killed it. Would have been nice if it stood right here. CMU if it kills this one right here. Okay, looking good. Go, I'm shorting MU guys, 200 shares. That's all they're giving me for right now. I don't know why. I would have shorted more. Ejected. Let's see if we give us that MU play. Whew. I already tested somewhere here. My target is right here, actually. Let's go, MU. Rip down hard. The entry should have been here. Give $1 on that. I rejected. I would love to give you more, but I don't know why. You want to target this $820. Not going to take profit on $90 and $20. No, this is a good solid bar off of the doji right here. Hopefully, I mean at least right to here, somewhere there. Come on, another $1 or so. Right here, we might take one right here. Couple. But that even number, that's what keeps ringing in my head, and it's in the bottom of this move right here. So. You like this 218, 219? No, it needs to be more and more. I wish they gave me 400 shares. They won't give me more than 200. Because the stock is so expensive. The entries suck like I should have been. I don't know, we might get beaten up on this play too. we go. Got a minute.
La laïcité,
This should be it right here.
ce n'est pas contre quelqu'un. Ce n'est pas.
It should flush down if it's a true move. Comes the 50, the last minute. Was a dollar. Come on, dump $1. Dump $1. Dump $1. Come on. I was hoping for more downtrend. Okay, I'm gonna take one here. Drop my stop to break even. Take 50 right here. So much money. I'm only risking $106 on this play right now. Just in case it double dip and it shoots back up. Not gonna give up that play that just like that. Might pull back to that 20. All right, I'm out. All right, guys, so we're down $500 for the day. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm tired. Thanks for everybody that showed up. I hope you had a good trade with us. So we're down like $500 for the day overall, which is not bad. You got to live to fight another day. I just don't want to. I know my limit powers as far as trades, like how much I can trade every day. I might come back and trade like another trade in the afternoon. But as of right now, I'm cooked. I can't take any more trades. You gotta recognize your mental status and your, like how much, like I would recommend you do this, everybody. Like write your first, like every day, write your first trade, second trade, third trade, fourth trade, and see when you start losing and when you are winning on the first trade, on the second trade, and start paying attention to that because you kind of know like what your limit are, your mental capacity for doing trades. Anyway, I gotta go, guys. You have all a good one. Thank you for coming in. I really appreciate it.